Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall drone. The Air 3s carries a 2-camera payload that features a primary camera with a large 1-inch CMOS sensor, allowing it to capture crucial details in low light and high contrast shots where others miss out, 50MP still images. The secondary 1/1.3-inch CMOS telecamera allows it to zoom up to 3x with no reduction in its 4K video quality and digitally zoom up to 9x. It has up to 45 minutes of battery life and a large 42 GB internal storage. The Air 3s comes with the DJI RCN3 controller, which has a largely adjustable phone clamp to conveniently mount your phone to run the DJI Fly app, and has a toggle switch on the controller that allows you to conveniently switch between flight modes on the fly to make adjustments to the drone's response to control input with Cine, Normal, and Sport mode options. Specifications: measured takeoff weight 721 g. Maximum video resolution 4K. Manufacturer claimed max flight time 45 minutes. Measured diagonal size, folded and unfolded without propellers 15 1/4 unfolded. 7 3/4 folded. Camera sensor, S, 1 CMOS, 1/1.3 CMOS. The DJI Air 3 surprised us by delivering the most consistent subject tracking of any drone in our entire testing lineup, even those that cost more than double its price. From tracking yourself while hiking to following a rider on a dirt bike, it adheres to subjects like glue and follows reliably, capturing stunningly stable video, another testament to the stable flight performance of the Air 3s. Number 2. Best bang for your buck. The Flip is also lightweight, weighing only 245 grams, and can be flown with or without a controller. Our tester praised the versatility of the Flip and said, "The controllerless flight of the Flip makes it so convenient to use. I love being able to have it take off from the palm of my hand, capture what I'm doing, and then catch it in my hand and feel confident I got some solid video." The Flip carries a 3-axis gimbal stabilized 1/1.3-inch sensor that captures smooth, stable 4K video and 48MP stills. Specifications: measured takeoff weight 245 g. Maximum video resolution 4K. Manufacturer claimed max flight time 31 minutes. Measured diagonal size, folded and unfolded without propellers 12 1/4 unfolded. 7 folded. Camera sensor, S, 1/1.3 CMOS. Being lightweight and portable does come with some downsides. The DJI Flip delivered steady and stable flight performance during most of our testing, but when the weather picks up, it has poor wind resistance. When it comes to obstacle avoidance, the Flip features a 3D infrared sensing system to protect it from collisions. Number 3. Best kids toy. The entire drone is encased in a durable but flexible plastic webbed shell that provides protection for the drone and protection for you from the propellers. The Scoot features several LED lights, including some that notify you of battery status and others that change color just for fun. It features an internal gyro for simple stabilization and can be calibrated by shaking it a few times and then setting it on a flat surface until the middle LED glows solid blue. Getting the Scoot up in the air is simple, and all you have to do is toss it up, and it will start flying. Specifications: measured takeoff weight 32 g. Maximum video resolution N/A. Manufacturer claimed max flight time 8 minutes. Measured diagonal size, folded and unfolded without propellers 4 1/4. Camera sensor, S, N/A. Although the Force 1 Scoot toy can be a lot of fun, it does not have an interchangeable battery and has a relatively short battery life of just 8 minutes before needing to charge for about an hour. Number 4. Best FPV. The Avata 2 can be flown in 3 different modes: normal, sport, and manual. Manual mode requires the purchase of a DJI FPV controller, but the included DJI-RC Motion 3 controller allows flight in both normal and sport flight modes. Our tester loved the motion controller and said, "The motion controller makes flying the Avata 2 quite easy to learn and helped me gain confidence quickly." As you gain confidence flying the Avata 2, you can enter easy acro mode. Specifications: measured takeoff weight 385 g. Maximum video resolution 4K. Manufacturer claimed max flight time 23 minutes. Measured diagonal size, folded and unfolded without propellers 9 3/4. Camera sensor, S1/1.3 sensor. The Avata 2 is quite powerful and has solid wind resistance, even though it is fairly small, measuring just under 10 inches diagonally. It's quite durable, and all the details of its build feel sturdy. We especially appreciate the integrated propeller guards for a drone with so much flight freedom and no obstacle avoidance.